So we're back at Jesse's sister's house today doing our budget renovation. We're doing her lounge room, living area today, a bit of an office in there as well. So stay tuned for the after. So first Jess is patching and sanding any imperfections on the walls. Then I'm going to go in and clean to get rid of any dust. We've taped up any areas we don't want paint getting on, and now it's time to cut in. Once again, we are using the EASYCOAT All Walls paint in the gorgeous colour called Martini. We love how safe this paint is for the whole family and the fast drying time. Okay, we'll see how long it takes Jess to paint these two walls. And how quick it is. Straight lines. Okay, we'll speed things up a little here, but you can see how great the coverage is and just how quick and easy it is to roll on the walls. The first coat went on both of these walls in less than 2 minutes. The thing that dates this house the most are the orange skirts and architraves, so we're going to go over them with the EASYCOAT Doors and Trim paint in the same colour as the walls. We love that you can tint this paint and the coverage is amazing. And just like that, it's time for the reveal. We are always so amazed by what a transformation just paint and styling can do to a home. We painted this lounge room and office area all in one weekend. EASYCOAT really is so easy.